Hi everyone, welcome to Mashed Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.4, question 6. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So not sides here it is medians. So first of all, what we have to prove that? Prove that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles. So that means we need a two similar triangle. So let's draw first two similar triangle. Then we have to prove the ratio of the areas. Their areas ratio is equal to the ratio of their corresponding medians. So that's what we have to prove. First, let us draw two similar triangles. So we have two triangles. So let's name it A, B, C, and this P, Q, R. So those two are the similar triangle. So let's write down here given. So what is given to us? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So that is given to us. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that the area of triangle ABC is equal upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, this is what we have to prove, the ratio, right? Prove that the ratio of the areas, so ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So that means we have to draw a median. So let's draw a median. Median means a midpoint here, and it will divide this will divide BC equally half. So we name it this as a D, and here also let's draw a median. Median meaning you know, right? So this is the midpoint, EQ M, let us write down. Okay, so PM. So now here AD and PM, they are the medians. So what we have to prove? The ratio of their corresponding medians. So that means AD upon PM, their square, because it is said that equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding median. So this is what we have to prove. So let's go for proof. So now we'll take from here only. What is given to us? The triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So if they are similar, what are the things will be equal? Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then angle A will be equal to angle P and angle B will be equal to angle Q. Angle C will be equal to angle R. If they are similar, angles will be equal, and also corresponding sides, that is AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR will be equal to AC upon PR. When we say two triangles are similar, so these are the things will be equal. Okay. So now let us take, see now what we have to prove. We have to prove AD. We have to prove AD upon PM, the square of it we have to prove. But then we know that when two triangles are equal means the corresponding sides, all this, the ratio of the corresponding sides, square of it is equal. Nothing to do with the median. So what we will do, any one side, if you get equal to this median, any one side of it, if we get equal to this, then we can prove this. Okay, so to get it, that what we will do, in this triangle we will take, we'll concentrate in this triangle. Okay, so let's take these two triangles, because already we know that AB upon PQ is equal, we know, but equal to BC upon QR. So now instead of BC we can write this is half of BC can be 2 times of BD, because D is a midpoint. Midpoint means what? BC can be divided equally, right? So that means this part is equal to this side. That meaning is BD is equal to DC. So if we say BC, we can say BC is 2 times BD, we can write down. Okay, so let's take now this two triangle. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we can take this AB, one side of it, AB upon PQ. Okay, so this AB upon PQ will be, one second, well, let me take side it is, right? So I'll not write as a ratio, maybe is equal to, okay, this ratio we have to write. So let's take this, as I told you, that BD can be written 2 times, no, BC can be written 2 times of BD. So let's take this only, this only we will take, since both the triangles are similar. So let's take this part. Okay, you can consider this as equation, this, let's consider equation 1, this as equation 2. So AB upon BC equal to BC upon QR. Okay, from equation 2. From equation 2 we are taking this 2 part. Okay, so we'll write down AB upon PQ equal to, instead of writing BC, we can write 2 times BD. Okay, instead of BC we'll write 2 times BD. I told you that this is a median, midpoint. D is a midpoint, equally it is dividing BC. Okay, so same way QR also can be written, 2 times QM. 2 times QM. Okay, so now Y you can write, since D and M are midpoints of BC and QR. So you can give the reason, since they are midpoints, so we can be written like this. Okay, so now 2 gets cancelled, so can we write AB PQ is equal to BD upon QM. Okay, so now what we have proved up to now, so AB upon PQ, this side, is equal to BD upon QM. These 2 sides we have proved here. Okay, so now one more thing, so this you can consider as equation, already we have 2, so this is 3. So 2 sides we have proved. So now can we say that angle B is equal to angle Q? That is from equation 1, B is equal to Q. So angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, so this you consider as equation 4. This we got it from equation 1, you got it, that angle B is equal to angle Q. Or you don't need to give also equation here, also no need, because already we have in equation 1 we have written that angle B is equal to angle Q. So here you can write from equation 1. So can we say that now from equation 1 and 3, from 1 and 3 is what? 3 we have proved that these two sides of the ratios are equal, we have proved. And then equation 1 we have that angle B is equal to angle Q. So from this equation 1 and 3 we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side angle side criteria. Okay, so by side angle side. So by side angle side criteria we have proved that these 2 triangles are similar. So if these 2 triangles are similar, then the third side, the ratio also will be Similar, the third side is AD upon PM. So that also will become equal. So therefore, AD upon PM also will be equal to AB upon PQ and BD upon QM. Okay, are you getting this? Since we said both are similar, then can we say that AB upon PQ will be equal to BD upon QM will be equal to AD upon PM. All three sides will be equal by side angle side criteria. But then we have to prove that this we have to get it AD upon PM, the square of it equal to the area of this. Okay, so let's take now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, both the triangles. So in both the triangle, we know that the area of ABC, area of triangle, and area of triangle PQR is equal to their corresponding sides, that is AB upon PQ square equal to BC upon QR square equal to AC upon PR square, according to the theorem 6.6. According to the theorem 6.6, we know that the when two triangles are similar, their areas of the ratio also will be equal to their square of the corresponding sides will be equal. So since equation here since you see AB upon PQ, so you have AB upon PQ here, so AB upon PQ, so AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ, and therefore can we write instead of AB upon PQ here AD upon PM? So this we can take it as equation. Already we have 3, so this we take it as equation. So from equation 4 we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AD upon PM whole square. So I hope it is clear to you. See what we did? Nothing we did. We just proved that already it is said two triangles are similar. So we just proved that these two triangles also we proved similar by side angle side criteria. By side angle side criteria, we proved that these two triangles are similar. So if these two triangles are similar, all three sides, corresponding sides also will become equal. So already we know that corresponding sides of these two triangles are equal. And so when we got any one side, if this side is equal to this side, and already we said this also is equal to the see this already upon this side we have said it. So this both become similar, means this side of these two sides of the ratio will be equal to then this side also. So that's what we have proved here. I hope I have not made a mess. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.